Birthday 59. Hey guys, from last one, so let's I do 40 and 50. So I do go to B and we could go to the mom or Chucky. I wait to see me mama will be good. So Aiden here, so also trying to tell you why is he here? Okay, can I go to the first thing to that thing? After the first day and second day, can we go to the calling in the letter again? Yeah. I want to go Papa Farm next week. Last time, me and my mom went to the malls, after the malls, and going to table by the game.com. So, do you like Never Before Christmas? Yeah. What about Papa Gobies? No? Papa he like farm, he like ugly. I went to mom I went to the Papa farm. Her in the way for second day. Kai went for two and then me on Papa farm talk about what happened. And they tell me what happened. So I gonna get a pool here and a doll here too. Anyway, me and my mom I just go home. I had no idea. I just a Friday or September create one more wall in there.